I buy this particular token at this particular price right here, and I bought it with 500 USDT. So now I'll be getting this particular specific amount of token just like this. Now I just go straight to this particular crypto exchanger and I click on trade right here. Then I select the particular token again. Then I click on sell. I sell it at this particular price right here. So take a look at the profit right here that this particular trade gave to me. So I did it 3 times, 4 times, and I end up any profit or getting profit from this particular transaction while I did it 4 to 5 times a particular day right here. So here is the profit right now on my Binance account that I literally in just with the specific process. I will literally guide you through step by step and show you the particular crypto exchanger so that you guys can literally use all this method and literally show you how I get the signal right now. Firstly, if you want to start it from the beginning, there is a particular tools that are used to spot the arbitrage opportunity, which is this one right here, which is arbitrage scanner. Arbitrage scanner is a particular tool that you can literally use to spot any cryptocurrency that have price indifferences so that you can use it to literally make money. Okay, so just go down right here. Let me show you the particular token. Take a look at it right here, which is BSV/USDT. So I buy it on Gate at this particular price, and then I sell it on MEXC. Okay, now there are some other crypto exchanges that are also selling it. Okay, so every 3 seconds or every 30 seconds, this particular market actually loads. So this particular tools right here, which is arbitragescanner.io, literally loads up every 30 seconds or every 10 seconds depending on how you set it up. Now if you have access to this particular tools right here, you have the full opportunity to literally get to know the specific token that is selling at a low price in a specific crypto exchanger, and how it is selling at the higher price on other cryptocurrency exchanger also. Then you make price differences with all these and then make profit for yourself. So now I literally use this particular token for this particular tutorial. I think there is still opportunity right here for me to use it right now to show you what exactly I literally mean. Now I will be buying this particular token, which is BSV/USDT, and I will buying it on Bybit, which is BSV/USDT, and I will buying it on Biget and selling it off MEXC. Now let me go to Biget right here just like this. Okay, so this particular Biget will be the one we'll be using, and this particular MEXC app will be the one that we'll be using. This particular Biget will be the one that we'll be using, and also this particular MEXC will be the one that we'll be selling on. Now you just have to go ahead and download the specific app and sign up an account if you do not have an account. So just go to the video description. You will find the link to literally go ahead and sign up on particular crypto exchanges right here. Okay, so that you can literally go ahead and get started on dime. Then just go ahead and have your USDT available right here in any of the crypto exchange that you spot the arbitrage that it is selling low. Then go ahead and purchase it with any amount of your choice. Let me say we'll be using 1000 USDT for this transaction. Then you will be getting this particular amount of token right here on this particular Biget, and then just go straight to this particular place on the same Biget, click on accept, and go ahead and click on withdraw right here. After you have buy this particular BSV token, click on chain right here. Make sure you go ahead and search the particular token that you buy, which is BSV. Okay, now just wait for it to load down so that it can show you everything right here. Now all we just have to do is just for you to go ahead to this particular MEXC again right here, then just go straight to the wallet right here, go ahead and click on deposit on this particular place right now, then click on chain right here. Also go ahead and search this particular token, which is BSV right here. Take a look at it, make sure it is on this particular network, copy the wallet address right here, then go straight back to this particular Biget right here, paste it right now, and then just go ahead and provide the particular amount that you purchased it right here on this particular Biget crypto exchanger, and then you click on withdraw right here. You will receive the money right here in this your MEXC account. Immediately you receive the money right here in this your MEXC account. What you just do, just want to go straight to trade, go ahead and click on sell out all the cryptocurrency that you literally receive right here. So when you sell out all the 1000 USDT that you literally purchase, let me type it right here. Okay, that means you are selling out this particular amount of BSV right here. Okay, then you will be getting this particular amount of profit right here. Immediately you literally make this transaction successful. Now that you have literally know all this, you just have to go ahead and give this a try. But listen, there is a disclaimer right here, because everything I'm showing you right now is actually for educational purpose, not a financial advice. I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here. Okay, you know, cryptocurrency is volatile. Anything can literally happen. Price can change at any time. So make sure you do your due diligence investigation or research before you go ahead and literally spot any particular crypto that have price differences, and use this particular tools right here, which is arbitrage scanner. Now that you have know all this, just go ahead and click on the link on the video description or in the pin comment. You will literally find the link to download or to literally sign up on this particular arbitrage scanner, and you just have to go ahead and get a plan because it's worth it. I've literally made enough money using this particular arbitrage scanner right here. You know, it's my own personal money. It's also a disclaimer, it's not guaranteed that yes we will also make the same. Yes, now just go ahead and buy any plan of your choice right here. It might be business plan, or probably just buy the one that you know that yes you are capable of. So you can buy 1 month, you can buy 3 months, you can buy 6 months, you can also buy 1 year. It depending on how you literally have money for this. Okay, so that is how this particular cryptocurrency trading, we call it arbitrage right here, that's how it literally work right now. So just make sure you literally make advantage of this particular biggest cryptocurrency exchanger, and then this particular mexi right here, you'll be buying here low and selling here high. Okay, so the specific token, this particular tools right here will show you the specific token so that you guys can literally know what's at that token that you'll be buying low and where to buy it low. Okay, so if you literally go ahead and sign up on this particular arbitrage scanner, go ahead and click on this particular place right here, which is this left icon. This particular thing right here will pop up. Then just go ahead and click on arbitrage process, and then go ahead and click on arbitrage scanner. This particular arbitrage screen right here, then you just go ahead and wait for it. You just have to go ahead and select all this particular option right here. Then if you can't literally get enough information from this, or you can't filter all this by yourself, there is a template made for you already. Go ahead and click on this place, click on this particular template. There are 3 templates right here, and you can literally go ahead and use any of them. So you have activate any of the template. So now scroll down, a lot of cryptocurrency are available, and this particular tools will show you where this particular cryptocurrency is selling low and where you can sell it at higher price.